RedE, this is Matt. Hey, yeah, nice to hear from you.
Okay. Yep.
Hey Brad, this is Jesse from RedE. I don't know if I missed your call yesterday. I know you're in the wind, but yeah, I just wanted to make sure I got back to you.
Yep, you got a lot of decisions to make, and so if we can be of any help on anything, you just let us know, okay? All right, very good. Thank you. Bye.
Kind of makes sense because there's been some weird oddities that, you know, some people don't have any issues, and then others are like, hey, this doesn't quite fit, or what am I supposed to do here? And
Oh, hey, it's time for a team building event. Sweet! So we get to do a team building event today, and I'm really excited because we've been missing out on doing ours for a couple months, and we're gonna make this one even better than ever. We tasked our interns to figure out where we're going for lunch and what we're gonna do, and they chose Thunder Road for the activity and Sicky's Garage for the burgers and good time for food. And I'm gonna go grab the guys right now. Yep, let's go. Woohoo! I don't know where Jesse and Hope are, but we're leaving.
It can never be too safe. And it's still COVID season.
I'm white. Some people say I'm glowing. I just don't want to lose that what you're known for, you know. This should work for now.
you're right.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you click subscribe below if it's something you enjoyed. Hit the like button, and we really appreciate our team. This is something we try to do every quarter. We were a little off because of the busy season in spring, helping out farmers, but we certainly made up for it this time, didn't we guys?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna hit up another thing, a laser tag, and then we're out of here. But for now, like Dude Perfect, pound it, noggin, out.